Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Argo Master Expert Advisor for MT4 and MT5, and this is an expert advisor for EURUSD on the 30-minute time frame, and it has been promoted seriously on the MQL5 market, and it also has impressive backtest numbers, and the seller calls it an innovative math model trading with no dangerous methods. So let's see if it's actually worth it. Let's see if it's worth the hype and everything the seller says. Yeah, but before we dive into this video proper, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, and you can get that expert advisor for free by using the link in the description below. It's worth it, so I advise you check it out. It's actually worth it. Now, talking about the Argo Master MT5, the developers page, who is Enko Enev, he markets this product for 500 USD, and he says that the Argo Master uses a deep mathematical model combined with popular indicators to read the movement of the Euro-USD pair. It's optimized specifically for the 30 minutes time frame on Euro-USD, and every position gets a hard stop loss and take profits. He says that there's no greed and there's no martingale, there's no dangerous methods. So he says it's only safe trading, from the developer, and they show massive long-term backtests from 2019 to 2024 with millions in profit, literally millions, over 5.4 million in profits from this is their backtest from 2019 to 2024, and the initial deposit of this is just $1,000 on a leverage of 1:500. And they show over 96% win rate. They also have tiny drawdowns of 3.5, and they also have a huge profit factor of 20, and this is so good to be true, but we're gonna check it out from my backtest, which I ran with their default settings. So this is also another backtest that they ran on an initial deposit of $3,000, and this one went up to about 20 million in profits with 93% win rate. And this is another one. They also recommend max 5 open positions, and this expert advisor works with just $500 deposit, minimum deposit, and ECN brokers. There's a Christmas filter to avoid holiday volatility, and they say you can tweak a percentage filter based on your broker. So it looks like a clean, professional Euro-USD specialist designed for steady long-term growth. And these are all of their numbers which they show. Also have the settings with the fixed lot size, and basically millions in profits and hundreds of thousands. But I had the opportunity to run my backtest, and I did run my backtest on the Euro-USD on the 30 minutes time frame, of course, and I used their default settings, and this is on a $10,000 starting deposit, and it's also on an every tick modeling. The equity curve is choppy. It goes up and down but ends with a net loss of about 183 US dollars. The profit factor is just 0.7, and the max drawdown is around 3.5%. So the max drawdown is kind of consistent with their backtest. Also, in the whole year we took only just 41 trades, so this expert advisor is kind of selective. This is one of those trades you can see on the chart. We held all the way through this drawdown period here and closed here in profit, but at the end of the day, at the end of the whole backtest, we ended with a loss of $183. And comparing this to the seller's insane optimized result with 96% win rate and millions in profits, this default run tells a different story. Features that actually matter are the fixed lot of 0.05. We also have max trade orders, and we have TP of 500 points. We also have SL of 1000 points. All of these are customizable on the expert advisor, and the max spread is also 20, and that Christmas filter is also here, which you can edit and change. You can also enable buy only trades and sell only trades depending on what interests you, depending on what you want. And that's it on my settings, on my inputs. Honestly, the thing is, these huge seller backtests are heavily optimized for past data. In a normal recent year on EURUSD on the M30, the EA struggles with ranging conditions, as you can see from my backtest, and he ends up losing. Live trading will likely see more slippage, wider spreads on news, and longer flat or losing periods than those pretty screenshots which we saw on the MQ5 page, as you can see, with millions of profit. The verdict is that it's a basic indicator based system on a tough pair like EURUSD, and it can work if you heavily optimize and forward test it, but out of the box on the default it is not impressive. The nuances I would say is that it's sensitive to market regime. It loves trends and it hates ranging markets or choppy markets. It's also broker dependent, and the curve risk, fitting risk is high. It's quite high. So keep all of this in mind when you want to use this expert advisor. I'll say it's for experienced EURUSD traders who like tinkering with settings and running conservative fixed lots on good brokers. I'll say beginners or anyone wanting set and forget profits should avoid this expert advisor, or traders who need higher activities. As you can see on my backtest, on the default, it's giving me just 41 trades in an entire year. And also, that is from their backtest. We are seeing over 1930 trades in the space of 5 years. But looking at just 1 year's backtest, we have just 41 trades on the default settings and the defaults from the developer. So that goes to show you that this is a very selective expert advisor. The features they tout are just this listed here. So just simply set it up on your EURUSD in the 30 minutes time frame and use the default to optimize that filter between 1 to 5%. And the market highlights just include the mathematical model and the built-in stop loss and take profits on every trade. So that's all about it for the Argo Master for MetaTrader 5. If you enjoyed this honest breakdown, if it helped you, smash the like button and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. We'll be dropping reviews like this in the coming weeks, so ensure you're following and you're subscribed, and drop in the comments which expert advisor you want me to review next. Also, don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description. It's actually useful. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.